Number two, renegotiate your salary. You see, there are sometimes if you want to make more money, you just have to renegotiate your salary. Now, you got to be careful about salary negotiations because you're an employee of the company and they are paying you maybe 5,000 cedis a month, but you want 10,000. You want them to increase your salary. So how do you do that? You don't just get up and say, because inflation is 40%, because the economy is hard, you should increase my salary. That is very stupid and dumb. Because I've had that a lot. I've had people, again, in the corporate environment, because of my relationship and a couple of things that I do. You've had people, they are like, yeah, I want more salary. And you're like, okay, why do you want more salary? These days, my TNT has gone up. These days, my rent has gone up. Nobody asks you to pick the car that you are picking. Nobody asks you to live where you are living. You see, you have to understand that the business is there to make money. And the business will be willing to give you more money if you can prove to the business that you are valuable to it. So be careful about salary negotiation. Don't just walk to your HR or walk to your boss and request for a salary increment only because the economy is hard, or your landlord has increased your rent, or your TNT has gone up because the fuel prices are increasing. Don't do that. You ask for salary negotiation if, number one, you qualify for it, meaning you have the experience, maybe the number of years required for a certain position, you have it. Number two, or you have attended school, and so now your certificates has gone up. And then number three, you are adding value to the company. Listen, this is one thing that I've learned in the corporate world with my exposure. No company is willing to let go of a good employee. No company is willing to let go of a great employee. If the company realizes that you are valuable to the sales team, to the marketing team, to the distribution team, to the accounting and finance team, to the production team, to the administration team, if the company realizes that you are a pillar that holds this department and your contribution is significant, they will be willing to retain you. And if you ask for a salary increment, if the company can afford, they will gladly pay it for you. If they cannot afford it, they will still increase your salary a little bit, but not to the desire that you want. But it is still an increment. You can make more money for the same effort. So that is the second way that you can make more money. Request for a salary increment. But like I said, before you walk to the office of your boss to ask for your salary to be increased, make sure you qualify for it. And make sure that you are valuable to the company. And don't go there justifying your salary increment sheepishly just because your landlord has increased your rent or your TNT bills have gone up. Because remember, the business doesn't care about your TNT. The business doesn't care about your landlord's increment. What the business cares about is what value are you adding to this company. Now, I know that may sound like, oh, wickedness. I know some people will sheepishly go to the comment section, this is not how business should be run. Listen to me carefully. Shareholders' money, somebody's hard-earned capital, we should give it to you because you decided to live in a luxury apartment. Somebody's hard-earned money, we should give it to you because you decided to live in a far place and you have to incur a lot of cost in transportation. Do you think about the other end of the scope, that the business belongs to somebody and they have invested their money and they have to make some returns and be able to take care of their family as well? Have you thought about it? Have you thought about it? So before you ask for the increment, make sure that you are adding value to the company. Then number three, learn to invest your money. This is one of the crucial things that you have to understand. There are many individuals who don't have any investments. Let me ask you right now, do you have any investments? I know some of you will say, Nhyira, my salary is not enough. By 15th of the month, my salary is even finished. It means you lack financial intelligence. It means you don't know about money. It means you are not financially disciplined. Listen, you cannot make more money, live the life you want to live, all by working. There are some passive income that must come to you. You should be able to make some investments that every month or every quarter there'll be some drips coming in, and that can help you to sustain other aspects of your life. So you have to learn to invest. No matter how much money you earn, a portion of that money must go into investment. Maybe it's 10%. Do it. Maybe your salary is 1,000 Ghana cedi a month. Sit down, structure your life very well, and make sure that every month you are putting 100 Ghana cedi somewhere so that you can invest that. Now, somebody will ask, invest into what? Again, it's about financial intelligence. I've touched a lot about investing techniques. I've done a financial intelligence masterclass. You can get that on our website and learn about this in much detail. But what do you invest your savings into? You have to know what you're investing in. You have to know the risks associated. You have to know the people behind it. Not just you've heard, hey, there is this app. When you download and put 10 cedi inside, every 2 weeks or every 24 hours, they are doubling. They will steal your money and go away. So know about how to invest money. Maybe shares, maybe bonds, maybe fixed deposits. The goal is you are getting some drips. Drips, 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 drips. And that is how you become successful. So learn to invest. Some of you are like, Nhyira, when I start making big money, I will learn to invest. It doesn't work that way. Because if not, you can be making 100,000 Ghana cedi a month and still not have any investment available. Because the more money you make, the more luxurious you think your life has to be to meet that. But that is not financial intelligence. So you want to make more money, increase your value in the marketplace. You want to make more money, solve bigger problems for the company. You want to make more money, renegotiate your salary, request a salary increment. But before you ask that, make sure you are a pillar in your department. Make sure you are valuable to the company, and not because of your landlord's increment in the rent or because of the increment in your TNT or the rate of inflation in the country. And then number 3, make sure that you learn to invest your money. The little you make, put some aside. Keep some somewhere. It's not compulsory that you should buy the new iPhone. It's not compulsory that you should buy the new dress. It's not compulsory that you should buy the new watch. Listen, sometimes you have to make some sacrifices, because remember, like I said in the beginning, all these things we are doing will require some sacrifices, dedications, and discipline. And that is how you can make more money as an individual. So let me hear in the comment section what you think about this subject, and also let me know what other questions that you have that you want me to share my thought on. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.